If you like using your devices in bed or on the couch, a long charging cable like this is really nice to have. This is a USB-C charging cable that actually comes in a 2-pack, and I've only opened one and used one so far. The thing I really like about this, I gotta show you. This is 10 feet long, really long. I use this every day with my laptop and mostly my iPad, and the extra length that it gives makes it really easy to move around while it's charging. Since it is USB-C, it charges my devices really quickly. It also has a really nice braided texture here, so it feels durable and not like it'll wear out easily. If you like having more room to move while your devices are charging, a longer cable like this is really convenient to have.